Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I've just filmed my video. I've decided just to film this bit first and just explain about what's coming up. I considered not uploading my video, but I've decided I'm going to do it anyway because I want you all to know about what's happened with a Birchbox campaign, a customer appreciation event, and I'm not really very happy with the outcome, and so I'm going to just share my unboxing with you and let you decide and see what you think. I've emailed Birchbox and you'll see what I'm talking about once you watch the video, and I'm going to await their response and I will let you all know the outcome of what they say. But yeah, basically I'm very unhappy. I feel like I've been misled, and yeah, so if this has happened to you, let me know. I'd love to know if it's happened to you as well. From what I can see on social media, it's happened to quite a lot of people so far, and I think it's really disgusting for such a big company to kind of pull a swift one like this over its subscribers and its customers. So yeah, carry on watching the video and you'll see what I'm on about. See you all soon, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a bit of a one-off unboxing for you, and I've got 7 Birchboxes to open. So last week there was an email that came around from Birchbox for a customer appreciation day, so that meant that any of their subscribers could purchase previous Birchboxes for only £3 per box. Plus because I'm a VIP member as well, I get an extra discount. So it turned out I could get 7 Birchboxes plus postage and packaging, plus there was a code for a free Bad Gal Bang mascara. So I literally got all of this for £19.75, which is just incredible when you think that's £10.50. So really I've got 7 boxes for £9. So is there a catch? Well, I'm starting to think that there might be. I kind of thought these were all going to be random and mystery, and I really hope that every single box is different. But I've seen a few people on Facebook and social media, and they've literally got every box that they've been sent is all the same box, and that is not what I expected. So I'm going to do an unboxing, see what it is. Hopefully they're all different. If I have got 7 boxes which are identical, I'm not going to be happy, but let's just wait and be optimistic and wait and see. So I'm just going to bob these down and I'll start getting them one at a time. They arrived yesterday and I've been at work and things, and so I've just thought I would wait and get them done. I've got some scissors. So I just really hope these are great. So let's see. Ooh, well, this first box. So I've had this one before as part of a subscription, and it is the Cath Kidston box. So the thing is as well with these boxes, sometimes you can get different products depending on what your beauty profile is. So there could be things in here which are different to what I got in my box. So let's open it up. And so yes, this is what we've got. And I'll open it, and it is which one is it? So it's April 2018. So in here we've got the Cath Kidston hand cream, we've got the Marcel BB cream, we've got some Wish shave cream. Now I didn't get that the first time round, so that's different this time. There is is this Pixie by Petra? Fill and Tame. I think it's a brow thing. Let me get the little booklet out. It is Botanique Beauty, so it's a brow gel, and the baked highlighter by Model Co in Moonshine. And there's a Moonshine. I'm actually currently using this one. It's actually my products that I'm using. I'm wondering if it's the same shade I got was Moonshine, so I've already got a a moonshine there, and that's that there. Oh, where are we? There we go. So yeah, that way. So that's the first box. So quite a nice little box really, but the design is beautiful, and it's just your classic Cath Kidston design, and it's just gorgeous. So that's box number 1. Right, so here we go. Are they all the same? Let's get in. Oh, do you know, I think they are. I think I can see it through the... Oh, do you know? Box number 2. Cath Kidston. Here we go. So the product's the same in this one. Yes, so exactly the same products. We've got the hand cream, the baked highlighter, the brow gel, the shaving gel, and the BB cream. So there we go. That's box number 2. When I was planning on doing this video, I literally thought I was going to have 7 different boxes to unbox for you. I'm not happy. So if it stays at 2 the same, I can live with that, because I'll gift one. But if all these are the same, I'm going to be absolutely fuming. I just feel it's been missold if that's the case. And surprise, surprise. Box number 3. Are you kidding me? All the boxes they've got. They've literally just taken a pile saying, oh, she wants 7 boxes. Oh, well, let's just take them all off here. Why didn't they just give? They must have more than, you know, these boxes spare. Exactly identical contents. Who wants 7 things the same? Right. This is going to be a short video. Box number 4. Guess what? I'm not even kidding you. Birchbox. Cath Kidston. Identical products. There we go. What's the point? I'd have only just got 1 box. Why would I want 7 the same? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 I've got there. Number 5. You guessed it. Cath Kidston. 2 more to go. Here we go. What's in this one, I wonder? Yep. Cath Kidston. I mean, the beautiful boxes, and it's nice to have a collection of the boxes, but we wanted the products, which are identical. Last box. I don't want £19 worth of the same thing. It's not a bargain if it's like this, is it? There's always a catch. You know, if something's too good to be true, it usually is. I heard that somebody had ordered 20 boxes because obviously they thought it was such an amazing deal, and why wouldn't you? And they got 20 boxes that were all the same. And here's my box number 7. Everything's the same. So just to prove it that there are all the boxes, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 identical boxes. So watch this space, because I'm not happy. And what a shame, but I just feel Birchbox have really let themselves down. You know, why not just send all the subscribers a free box out with like the next subscription box, and just be generous and do that and spread the love, rather than just, I feel like I've been conned. Right, so there we go. 7 boxes, 7 times the same contents. So that's what you get, and I am grumbling, I am unhappy, but you always get my honest opinion. So whilst I do like the products inside the box, I didn't want 7 lots of the same item. And now most of them are actually 8 lots, you know, but I knew that. I wanted, you know, just a surprise element. And I honestly thought I'd get 7 different boxes. More fool me. Okay, so that's it. Please give me a thumbs up, because the rest of it's just all really rubbish. And I'll see you all later. Bye. I'm waiting for my October Birchbox to arrive, so at least that one will be different. So see you all soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.